Are you an ITI student looking to convert your mark sheet into an equivalent 12th grade qualification? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, ensure that your ITI course is recognized under the National Skills Qualifications Framework, or NSQF. This is crucial for eligibility. Next, visit the National Institute of Open Schooling, Nios, website. Here, you'll need to apply for the on-demand examination for the subjects you're missing from the standard 12th grade curriculum. Prepare for these exams by studying the required subjects. Use resources available online, or consider enrolling in coaching classes if needed. Once ready, schedule your exam and pay the necessary fees through the Nios portal. After successfully passing the exams, Nios will issue a 12th grade mark sheet, which, combined with your ITI certification, will be equivalent to a standard 12th grade qualification. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to expanding your career